Let's have a look at this particular set. It says that there is a firm that reviews different types of gadgets. Let's say the gadgets are A, B, C, D, and the reviewers are R1, R2, R3, R4. That is given to you. Now, what they're saying is that the reviews are rated from 1 to 5, all integer values, 1 being the poorest rating and 5 being the excellent rating, right? Now, what they've done is they've given you the averages for R1 for all 4 gadgets, and they've given you for a particular gadget what is the average. That is also given to you, and there is no missing value in terms of the averages, right? Now, based on this, they'll ask you a certain set of questions. This is the entire piece that we have. Now, let us try and see if we can fill in some values, because there are just two values which are almost missing in every row or a column except the row 3 where 3 of the values are missing, right? So now when you know the average is 4, then this for R1 the total rating must be 16, and that is pretty easy because the other two are also 4 and 4. So I'm putting 16 and 16. This is 4.25 into 4 will turn out to be 17. So sum total of these 4 ratings over here for R4 should be 17. Same way over here for D it should be 17, and for the other 3 A, B and C it should be 16 each as the sum total of their ratings that we are looking at, right? So another additional information that we can derive out of the data which is given to us, right? Now, if I look at the rating 1, you will realize 4 and 3, 7 is already gone. So you need 9 more so that the total turns out to be 16. Now 9 can be attained with the numbers from 1 to 5 with 2 possibilities. Either it has to be 5, 4 or it has to be a 4, 5. That is the only possibility, right? So let me start by putting a 4 over here and a 5 over here. Why am I doing this? Because the moment I do this, I would know the column C also. Look at column C. The total is 16. You already have 14 available with you. Then you need another 2 over here to make it 16. Now, if you have a 2 over here, and if you look at the column A over here, you will realize 4 and 3, 7, total is 16. So you need a 9 over here, right? Now 9 once again can be attained as only what? 5, 4 or 4, 5. So let me take a 5 over here and see what is the challenge. If I take a 5 over here, this will become 5 and 5, 10 and 4, 14. So this will become 3. If this becomes 3, then there is a trouble. Look at this. This column is already already 11, and you need a total of 17. So you would need what? A 6 over here. That means this value of 3 is incorrect over here. 3 is not possible over here. And if 3 is not possible over here, then 5 is not possible over here. That means if you wanted 5 and 4, it has to come in that order only, that 5 has to be for R3 has to give 5 for the gadget A, and R4 has to give 4 for the gadget A. So let me make those changes, and we will realize that the number over here should have been a 5 and a number over here should have been a 4. So if you look at this, this will give you a total of 16. If you put a 4 over here, then what is the value over here? 4 and 4, 8 and 5, 13, and you need a total of 17. So you need a 4 over here, and if a 4 comes over here, you need a total of 17 over here. You need another 5 over here to make it 17. Now this row R2 is giving you how much? 5 and 3, 8 and 4, 12. So this has to be 4 over here, and then this has to be a 4 over here. Now this is a possibility when you have taken by the reviewer 1, A and C as 4 and 5 in that order. We know there is another order possible which is 5 and 4. So let's take another order where I'm going to put a 5 over here and I'm going to put a 4 over here. That is going to give me a total of 16 over here as well. That is also not a problem, right? Now, if 4 comes over here, we need a total of 16 over here, total of 16 over here, total of 16 over here, and you need a total of 17 over here. Now, very easy for us to fix this value. 4 and 4, 8 and 5, 13, and you need a 16, so you need a 3 over here. Now once this is a 3, and I know over here I cannot have a 5 because previously when I kept 5 over here, that made it 3 over here and that made it 6 over here, which was not possible. So 5 is not possible over here. I already have an 8 over here, so I need an 8 more. So either I will have a 4, 4 or I'll have a 5, 3. I will not have a 3, 5. That is a surety, right? So I'll start with a 5, 3 over here. So let me just make it look a bit better. This was 5, right? So you will have a 5, 3 in this particular order. Fair. So you have a 5, 3 in this particular order. If this is 3, 5 and 4, 9 and 3, 12, you need a total of 17 over here. You need a 5 over here. If this is a 5, 5, 10 and 3, 13, you need a 4 over here for sure. If this gives you a 4 over here, 4 and 4, 8 and 3, 11, and you need a total of 16 over there, you need a 5 over here for sure. Now if this turns out to be 5, then what we have over here is 4 and 4, 8 and 5, 13. You need a 3 more over here, that will give you a 16. This ensures that everything satisfies. Now once again we have a challenge over here because we kept a 5 and 4 over here, but we kept 5 and 3 over here, right? There is a possibility of 4 4. Remember, we have negated the possibility of 3 5 already, so we are left with one more possibility over here, 5 4, with a 5 and a 4 in this particular order. So let me put a 5 and 4 over here by the reviewer 1 for A and C. And in that case, this number will definitely be 3. So now the choice that we are wanting to put over here is 4 and 4. So if we put a 4 and 4 over here, 4 and 4, 8 and 5, 13, you need a 17 over there. That means you need a 4 over here. If you get a 4 over here, you will have to have a 5 over here. And that makes it what? 8 and 4, 12. You need a 4 over here. And if you get a 4 over here, you will get a 4 over here. Now there is no other possibility. You can always question this fact that why am I starting with 4, 5 over here? You can actually start from any of the two possibilities. Let's say if you want to start with a 5 4 over here, 5 3 over here, and 4 4 over here, this will also help you. If you look at for the gadget B by R2 and R3, it has to be either 4 4 or 5 3, right? It cannot be 3 5. That you will have to figure out and go ahead with that, right? Wherever you start from, you will be able to get down to these 3 outcomes, right? Now let's move on and understand what the questions are. I'll let the cases be there. So these are the cases that we had developed. And what does question number 23 says? What rating provided by the reviewer 1 for the gadget A can help determine all the remaining ratings? Now look at this. Reviewer 1 for the gadget A, if it gives a 4, then there is only one possibility. But if it gives a 5, then there are two possibilities. So they are asking you, reviewer 1 for the gadget A, what possibility, what rating will ensure that you are uniquely able to determine all the ratings? That rating turns out to be option B, 4. Let's look at question number 24. In how many different ways could the reviewer R2 have rated the gadget B? So you are looking at R2, gadget B, so that the ratings lead to the same average for the gadgets and the reviewers as shown in the table. So you don't have to change the averages. That's what the question is saying. How many different ratings the reviewer 2 can give to the gadget B? Reviewer 2 can give to the gadget B a 4. Reviewer 2 is giving the gadget B a 5. And over here it is again 4. So what are the different ratings that can be given? There can be two possibilities, either 4 or 5. So option D, 2, will be the correct answer for question number 24. How many different valid combinations of the missing ratings are possible? Different valid combination for all missing ratings. We have 3 different possibilities. Option C, 3, will be the correct answer for this question.